In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically back up your Google Calendar to Google Drive. It's a simple process that ensures your calendar events are securely stored and easily accessible. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to start by opening Google Calendar. You can easily do this by heading over to your web browser and simply searching for Google Calendar, or if you have it bookmarked, you can hit the bookmark to navigate directly. Once you're on the Google Calendar homepage, you'll want to sign in using your Google account. This is straightforward. Just enter your email address and password and you'll be in. Make sure you're using the account that holds the calendar you want to back up. Next, we're going to use Google Takeout, a very handy tool provided by Google for exporting your account data. Open a new tab and go to takeout.google.com. Like before, you'll need to log in if you're not already signed in. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with a comprehensive list of data you can export. For this task, scroll through the list until you find Google Calendar. Now, make sure to check the box next to Calendar. This action selects your calendar events for export. As you scroll down the page, you'll find a button labeled Next Step. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to come across a destination field. This is where you select where the export will go once it's completed. In our case, we're going to choose Google Drive. Click on Add to Drive and you're all set to store your backup files right in your drive. We are almost there now. The last thing you need to do is finalize the export process. You'll see a button that says Create Export. Click it and Google Takeout will start preparing your calendar data. This might take some time depending on how much information it needs to compile, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Once the process is complete, you'll receive an email notification with the details of your export. Your calendar will then be stored in your Google Drive where it will be safe and easily accessible whenever you need it. This automated backup process ensures you have a reliable copy of your calendar events stored away, giving you peace of mind. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've enabled automatic backups of your Google Calendar to Google Drive. This setup provides a sense of security and makes sure your important events are never lost. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was beneficial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful guides.